my birthday!
Warning, the videos you're about to watch will keep you smiling. Made with little Wi-Fi reception. Enjoy the movie.
Exit roads are clear.
The movie theater? In the air.
Are you single too?
Yep. Don't get it
Our
twisted.
taxi
Okay,
driver
Alejandro.
was so nice
Put it
and
in.
fun.
I swear, no matter what, I'm gonna find a Miami in any country I go to. Ooh, so pretty. He's naturally beautiful.
I can't send you an iMessage.
Alejandro. Nice. The breeze is so wonderful. Surf rescue. Breakfast is free. You want to get everything off the menu? Oh, McDonald's. We got McDonald's, Starbucks, Burger King. We like Burger King for sure.
This is one of the places that you see people take those nice pictures on a swing.
Show them. Look, guys. Yay, it's my birthday. Everyone's taking a picture. That's so cute.
I have not been sleeping during the trip, and I lost my voice.
I used to stay in the gym, and you can see the results right here. My love. All right. Aquarius season. I'm all about the water sports, so I did as many as I could. You should do it. Make sure you guys do everything I just did. Why does it look like we're about to do a Mission Impossible trip? Keep watching. We had to go into the middle of the ocean so that we can parasail by ourselves. It was so cool. Walked down underwater. It was a bit scary, but I walked into my fear, and it was such an amazing, memorable moment in my life. I got a massage at the hotel and then did the flower bath.
Start from a simple action just like this. Ladies.
Oh, he just took that to go. He took that leaf to go. Oh, okay.
You must wear that yellow piece of cloth that you see us wearing, and make sure you're covered as much as possible when you're in the temple.
Right there, it's just like a black girl all around, just like me. We have curly hair and black skin, so and then we got the boots.
The exterior is made out of recycled items, but once you walk in, it becomes a secret potato head beach club. Vibes. So many vibes. If it cost you your piece, then it's too expensive. Go out, travel. Go out and enjoy the world.